Take oats, but don't make the same mistake many people make. Most people eat unhealthy oats and leave out healthy and useful oats that contain important nutrients. Oats have an amazing number of health benefits that'll change your life for the better, but provided that the best type is chosen and eaten in an optimal way to get those benefits. Oats are a nutritional grain known scientifically as avena sativa. It contains many compounds and powerful fibers that are important to your body. In this video, we will talk about two important paths. First, the amazing benefits of oats and why does your body need it on a regular basis. Second, what are the types of oats and what's the healthy type that should be eaten. The first track, the benefits of eating oats for your body. Number 1. Improving the performance of the cardiovascular system. Heart disease is one of the main causes of death in the world, and high levels of bad cholesterol in the blood is one of the most dangerous factors that cause heart disease. Several studies indicate that the beta-glucan fiber found in oats is effective in controlling the level of total cholesterol in the blood, reducing bad cholesterol and preventing its oxidation. Thus, oats help improve heart and artery health and protect against heart attacks and chronic diseases. Number 2. Oats contribute to weight loss and prevent the accumulation of fat in the body. This is thanks to the oats containing a high percentage of beta-glucan fibers, which dissolve as soon as they enter the small intestine to form a gelatinous solution. These fibers stimulate an increase in the production of peptide hormone, which is an appetite-regulating hormone that gives a feeling of satiety and fullness for a longer period of time during the day, thus eating fewer meals, which reduces the risk of obesity. Number 3. Treating constipation and improving bowel movement. Oats have the ability to increase the weight and water content of stool, which facilitates its passage and protects you from the occurrence of constipation, as well as beta-glucan fibers, which break down inside the intestine to form a gelatinous solution, helps increase the diversity of the gut microbiota, which in turn may improve some digestive problems such as constipation, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome. Number 4. Powerful skin treatment. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of oats treat dry skin infections, and rashes. It also removes dead skin cells and helps treat acne. Oats also act as a natural cleanser by removing dirt and oil and exfoliating the skin, which helps to get rid of blackheads and make the skin brighter and more vibrant. Number 5. Oats are rich in powerful antioxidants. Oats are rich in a unique group of powerful antioxidants called avenanthramides, which are almost solely found in oats. Oat avenanthramides contribute to preventing the proliferation of harmful vascular smooth muscle cells. It also enhances the production of nitric oxide. All of this works to dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow, which helps prevent the risk of atherosclerosis. Number 6. Oats help build muscle. We are required daily to provide our bodies with various nutrients from basic elements such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Oats are a great source for a large number of them. It also contains many important minerals and vitamins such as iron, copper, phosphorus, calcium, and zinc, which help in accelerating the regeneration of muscle fibers. The second track. What are the types of oats and what's the healthy type that should be taken? There are different types of oats depending on the method of their manufacture. There are whole grain oats such as oat groats that need more time to cook, and there are rolled, crushed, or steel-cut oats that take relatively less cooking time, so most people prefer them. And there are instant or quick oats that take the shortest cooking time and are the most processed types and often contain sugar, salt, and preservatives, making them the worst type of oats. Although crushed or steel oats take longer periods of time to cook than instant oats, they're considered the most beneficial for our bodies because they are less processed and retain most of the nutrients. So we should use crushed or steel-cut oats and stay away from instant or quick oats. In the description below this video, there's a healthy way to prepare oats that you can use.